OpenAI has announced the testing of new AI search engine called SearchGPT. Right now, OpenAI launched the testing version of SearchGPT, a temporary prototype of new artificial intelligence search features that give you fast and timely answers with clear and relevant sources. This is available just for a select group of users and publishers that can test its capabilities and give feedbacks about how it works. OpenAI's SearchGPT is an advanced AI model designed to revolutionize the way we search for information. This will be a serious competitor for Google, Bing, and other search engines. Built on the foundation of the GPT-3 architecture, which means Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, SearchGPT is specifically trained to understand and generate human-like text, enabling it to respond to user queries in a conversational manner. Unlike traditional search engines that rely primarily on keyword matching and ranking algorithms, SearchGPT focuses on comprehension and context, providing users with detailed and relevant answers to their questions. The result of your search will be presented in a more friendly way. Let's have a look on OpenAI blog post about how new SearchGPT is working. Let's say you search for, "When can I see Nudibranch in Half Moon Bay this weekend?" The response will not be just a bunch of links, but a very explanatory response about the exact day, time, and location where you can see Nudibranch in Half Moon Bay area this weekend. You'll be able to ask follow-up questions. For example, ask if it will be hot, like you would in a conversation with a person, with the shared context building with each query. The response will be the weather forecast for one entire week, starting with the current day. OpenAI intend to incorporate these search features directly in ChatGPT, which will be a huge step forward for all users of ChatGPT. SearchGPT is created to facilitate connections between users and publishers by prominently citing and linking to them in search results. Each response includes clear, in-line, named attributions and links, allowing users to easily identify information sources. Additionally, a sidebar with source links provides quick access to more results. SearchGPT will combine the real-time search engine with AI capabilities like conversational interface, contextual understanding, rich detailed responses, multimodal capabilities, and continuous learning. Let's dive in and see the key features of SearchGPT. Conversational interface. SearchGPT engages users in a conversational manner, allowing for more natural interactions. Users can ask follow-up questions, seek clarifications, and explore topics in depth, making the search experience more intuitive. Contextual understanding. SearchGPT excels at understanding the context behind user queries. This enables it to provide more accurate answers and relevant information, even for complex or ambiguous questions. Rather than simply presenting a list of links, SearchGPT generates comprehensive responses that provide users with the information they seek in a concise format. This feature enhances user experience by delivering instant insights without requiring users to sift through multiple search results. Multimodal capabilities. SearchGPT can handle various types of inputs, including text, images, and even voice commands. This versatility opens up new possibilities for how users can interact with the search engine. Continuous learning. As an AI-driven model, SearchGPT continually learns from user interactions and feedback. This adaptive capability allows it to improve its responses over time, ensuring that it remains relevant and effective. Let's have a look how SearchGPT works under the hood. At the core of SearchGPT's capabilities lies natural language processing, NLP, a subfield of AI focused on enabling machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. SearchGPT leverages advanced NLP techniques to analyze user queries, identify keywords, and comprehend the intent behind the questions. SearchGPT is built on the GPT-3 architecture, which utilizes a deep learning framework consisting of multiple layers of neural networks. During its training phase, the model is exposed to vast amounts of text data from diverse sources, allowing it to learn language patterns, context, and semantics. This extensive training enables SearchGPT to generate coherent and contextually relevant responses. When a user inputs a query, SearchGPT processes the text using its NLP capabilities. It analyzes the context, identifies relevant information, and generates a response based on its learned knowledge. The generated response is designed to be informative, accurate, and conversational, providing users with a more engaging search experience. The introduction of SearchGPT has the potential to disrupt traditional search models, particularly those employed by established players like Google. By focusing on conversational interactions and contextual understanding, SearchGPT may attract users who seek a more intuitive and efficient way to find information. SearchGPT's conversational interface and rich, detailed responses significantly enhance user experience. Users can engage in back-and-forth discussions with the AI, obtaining instant answers and exploring topics in greater depth. This personalized interaction can create a sense of connection, making the search process feel more like a conversation with a knowledgeable companion. SearchGPT's multimodal capabilities enable users to interact with the search engine using various input methods, including voice and images. This accessibility is particularly beneficial for users with disabilities or those who may find traditional text-based searches challenging. By catering to diverse user needs, SearchGPT has the potential to democratize access to information. The educational potential of SearchGPT is significant. Students and learners can use the AI-powered tool to ask questions, seek explanations, and engage in discussions on various topics. This interactive learning experience can facilitate deeper understanding and foster curiosity, making it a valuable resource for educational institutions and individuals alike. Despite its potential, SearchGPT faces stiff competition from established search engines like Google. Google has a vast infrastructure, extensive resources, and a loyal user base. Competing with such a dominant player requires not only technological advancements but also effective marketing strategies to attract users to a new platform. User adoption is a critical factor in the success of SearchGPT. Users accustomed to traditional search engines may be hesitant to embrace a new tool that operates differently. Building trust and demonstrating the value of SearchGPT through consistent performance and accurate responses will be essential for attracting and retaining users. As AI continues to advance, its role in search engines will only become more significant. We can expect to see further integration of AI technologies in traditional search engines, enhancing their capabilities and improving user experience. This integration may involve adopting features from AI models like SearchGPT to create a more interactive and conversational search experience. The future of search engines will prioritize user-centric design, focusing on delivering personalized and relevant results. As user preferences evolve, search engines must adapt to meet their needs, incorporating features that enhance engagement and satisfaction. SearchGPT's conversational approach aligns with this trend, positioning it as a potential player in the evolving search landscape. OpenAI's SearchGPT represents a significant advancement in the realm of search engines, offering a fresh approach to information retrieval through its conversational interface and contextual understanding. While it has the potential to disrupt traditional search models and compete with established players like Google, there are also challenges and limitations that must be addressed. The future of search engines may not be a battle for dominance, but rather a collaborative ecosystem where various tools and technologies coexist. As AI continues to shape the way we access information, we can expect search engines to evolve, prioritizing user experience and delivering personalized results. Ultimately, whether SearchGPT can take over Google remains uncertain. However, its innovative approach and potential to enhance user interactions could pave the way for a new era of search, one where AI-driven tools complement traditional search engines to create a more dynamic and engaging information retrieval experience. As we navigate this exciting landscape, the possibilities for how we search for and interact with information are boundless, and the future looks bright for AI-driven technologies in the world of search.